You are going to love the 2016 Golf GTI. This Volkswagen is considered by many to be the hot hatchback. The GTI is available in both 2- and 4-door models to easily accommodate up to 4 adults. A decent-sized 15-plus cubic foot trunk is well-shaped and easy to load and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, cruise control, power brakes, trip computer, compass, fog lights, trip odometer, child safety locks, clock. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.